So I realized that in my video where I show people how to thread machines, I really need a close-up on how to thread the bobbins. So here's my regular bobbin with a bobbin case, okay? And I'm going to bring it out for now, okay? And I thread my bobbins this way. Well, yeah, I'm not putting thread on them. This is how I get the thread in the bobbin case. Okay, so you have this in your right hand, your bobbin in your right hand, with the string going away from you. Okay, the string is going away from me. And I have my bobbin case in my left hand. And I put them together. Whoop. Then I don't want the string right here to go straight through into here. I want there to be some tension. So I need it to go into this little slot right there. And then I hold it here with my thumb so that way this doesn't move anymore. And then I pull the string up this way. And now it's in this area, but it's being held in between this piece of metal and this piece of metal. And that provides tension. So that way only as much as should come out at a time comes out. It's not gonna even like have any come out right now. And then to put it inside of the sewing machine, first of all, I need to make sure my needle is in the highest position. Most of the time that means that the take-up lever, which isn't in the side of the video right now, is at the top. And otherwise, this part right here, which I don't know the name for, probably won't have a place to go. So you have to make sure the needle's at the very top, and then you put it in here, and it should click right in. Now on this machine, it's the drop bobbin, and there's a little diagram here, and it says that I want my thread to be going around this way, and then it's going to catch on this little hook here. So I make sure that my thread is going that direction. I drop it in, and there's this little hook right here. It's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can lift it. But it's right there. And I'm going to hold this down. Now it is in that little hook right there. It's kind of hard to see because of the shadows. But you can see the hook itself right now. Because of the shadows, when I tip it, you can't. But that's what creates that tension, is it being between that where that hook is and this other spot right here. Now I can just have it cut here, and then, you know, I think it's supposed to be able to just start sewing, but I'm kind of old-fashioned. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it up by turning my hand wheel one full rotation, and when my needle's at the very, very top and my take-up lever is also at the very top, then I know that I have it in the right spot, and then I should have this loop right here. And that loop right there is the bobbin thread. Now I can, come on, there we go. Now I have the bobbin thread up. I want them underneath my presser foot and to the back. And then I take the little cover and I put it on. There you go.